Hello friends, in this tutorial, I will show you all the subtleties of how to make an apple twist. I inflated a 5-inch transparent balloon with 2 pumps. I squeezed the ball so that my fingers touch each other, so I determine the pressure inside the balloon. If the pressure is too high inside the balloon, you can release the air a little. Now I'm making a knot at the very tip of the balloon. I move the air to the end of the balloon, press the knot and move the knot to the top of the balloon. I grab the knot from the back, do 7 twists and fix the knot with a balloon for modeling. I wrap the modeling balloons around the knot about 5 or 7 times. I make each subsequent turn lower than the previous one, then I make the knot twice. Apple twist is ready. The next apple twist is made similarly to the previous one. I use a red 5-inch balloon. I tie a small bubble to the tip of the balloon. I made a bubble out of a balloon for modeling size to 160. I cut off the excess and push the knot to the top of the balloon along with a small bubble. I grab the knot, scroll it several times and fix it with a balloon for modeling. In this way, you can make a nose, eyes, paws, or ears for any figure. Now I'm making an apple twist out of a 5-inch white balloon. The principle of making is the same. To the tip of the balloon, I tie a modeling balloon, size to 160. Next, I make an apple twist according to the principle that I showed you earlier. This is how the apple twist with two garters turned out. This is a very useful element in the design. Now I'm going to show you how to make an apple twist out of balloons of sizes 10 inches and more. I inflated a 12-inch balloon with 15 pumps. Now I'm simultaneously releasing air a little bit, pressing the nose of the balloon to the table. When the nose of the balloon touches the table, I stop letting out air, tie the balloon at the very tip and do an apple twist. I use these tricks to reduce the pressure inside the balloon. This way to make an apple twist out of a large balloon is very simple. Train to grow. Thank you for watching us.